If you're not getting two-step verification email on your iPhone, this 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Roblox two-step verification not sending email on iPhone problem. So the first solution is offload the Roblox app. Go to your settings, tap on General, iPhone storage, search for Roblox, offload the Roblox app and reinstall it and check the issue. The second solution is use a VPN to change your location. You can use the Super VPN. This is super easy to handle. All you have to do is just install it from App Store and launch it. Change your location from here. Once done, go to your Roblox app and try to resend two-step verification code and hope you will get the code. And the third solution is check Roblox verification code in your spam or junk folder. Go to your mail and here go to junk folder or spam folder. Probably there you will get your two-step verification mail from Roblox. And if you're facing the same problem, then you can contact with Roblox support. To do that, open your browser and type here Roblox support. Open support page and fill up this form. Then submit this form to Roblox and hope they will contact you with solution. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.